Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex, and today, we're diving into part 2 of our series on how to make easy money in 2025. I'm talking about those side hustles that can turn into serious income streams, if you're willing to put in the work. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure you check that out after this video. It lays the foundation for everything we're talking about today. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future money-making tips. Alright, let's get started. One of the most popular ways to make money online these days, and for good reason, is by selling digital products. Think about it, you create something once, and it can potentially generate passive income for months, even years to come. That's the beauty of it. We're talking ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos, the list goes on. The key is to identify a need in the market, something people are actively searching for, and then create a high-quality product that delivers. Take Pat Flynn, for example. He built a massive online business by creating in-depth courses and resources that teach people how to start and grow their own online businesses. He found a niche, provided immense value, and the rest is history. And the best part is, selling digital products has never been easier. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Podia make it incredibly simple to host, market, and sell your products directly to your audience. So, what are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay for? Brainstorm some ideas, do your research, and start creating. You might be surprised at how much money you can make while you sleep. Next up, we have affiliate marketing, a tried and true method that's still incredibly relevant in 2025. In a nutshell, you're partnering with other businesses and promoting their products or services to your audience. Now here's the best part. You earn a commission for every sale that comes through your unique affiliate link. It's like getting paid to recommend products you already love. Take Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, for example. She built a 7-figure business by sharing her personal finance journey on her blog, Making Sense of Sense. But here's the kicker. She strategically weaves in affiliate links for products and services she genuinely uses and recommends. The key to success with affiliate marketing is authenticity. Your audience can spot a sales pitch from a mile away. Focus on providing value, building trust, and recommending products that genuinely solve problems for your audience. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, from Amazon associates to individual companies offering their own programs. Do your research, find products that align with your niche, and start promoting. If you're passionate about a topic and love creating videos, YouTube can be a lucrative platform to build an audience and generate income. And no, you don't need millions of subscribers to start making money. The key is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your target audience. Think tutorials, reviews, vlogs, entertainment, anything that keeps people coming back for more. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start monetizing your videos through ads. But that's not all. You can also explore sponsorships, where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. And of course, affiliate marketing is huge on YouTube. Just like with blogging, recommend products you love and use, and watch the commissions roll in. Take a look at creators like Graham Stephan, for example. He built a massive following by sharing his knowledge about personal finance and real estate investing. He earns millions of dollars per year through a combination of ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. So what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, start filming, and see where this exciting journey takes you. Now let's talk about the future of making money online, AI tools. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we work, and it's creating some incredible opportunities for income generation. Imagine having an AI-powered trading bot that analyzes market trends and makes profitable trades on your behalf. Platforms like eToro are making this a reality, allowing you to copy the trades of successful investors with the click of a button. But it doesn't stop there. AI content creation tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, helping you write blog posts, create social media captions, even generate scripts for your YouTube videos. Tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai are game changers for content creators, saving you time and boosting your productivity. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech whiz to leverage these tools. Many of them are user-friendly and intuitive, even for beginners. So embrace the power of AI and see how it can take your income to the next level. The possibilities are truly endless. Last but not least, let's talk about real estate, a time-tested wealth-building strategy that's still incredibly relevant in 2025. Now, I know what you're thinking. Real estate requires a lot of capital, right? Well, it doesn't have to. While buying a rental property outright might be out of reach for some, there are more accessible ways to get started. One popular strategy is house hacking. This involves buying a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. The rental income from the other units can cover a significant portion of your mortgage, allowing you to live rent-free or even generate positive cash flow. But if you're not ready to be a landlord, that's okay. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, offer a more passive way to invest in real estate. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate properties like shopping malls, apartment buildings, and office spaces. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of property management. So, whether you're looking for passive income or long-term appreciation, real estate offers a solid path to building wealth in 2025 and beyond. So there you have it. 5 more ways to make easy money in 2025. Whether it's through digital products, affiliate marketing, YouTube, AI tools, or real estate, the opportunities are truly endless. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and share it with your friends who are also looking to level up their financial game. And be sure to let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try first. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.